Samsung is doing something which they have never done before. What's up guys, we are back again, and if there is one thing which Samsung has yet to tap in is in the gaming smartphone market. There has never been a better time in the history for a Samsung branded gaming smartphone than now because of AMD. Taking seriously insane gaming smartphones, Samsung has filed some patents. So the recent trademark that has been filed by Samsung shows that they're probably working on a gaming smartphone. Courtesy of Let's Go Digital, we have got two brand new trademarks. One say Activate Fan Mode, and then there is a new one that was filed just a few days ago which says Unleash Your Fan Power. Judging from the trademark, it seems like Samsung could be indeed bringing a gaming smartphone with a big fan and enhanced cooling system in the future. Samsung's flagship smartphone have a great hardware, but it's definitely not going to be beat with the full-fledged fake gaming smartphone with a huge fan and cooling system when it comes to long-term gaming. No matter what variant you have, as far as the long session of gaming is concerned, Samsung phone does not have a cooling system which can tackle this heat, especially in the summer when we have the heating issues can be arrived in your device, and these phones will get pretty much hot and their ability to not throttle is definitely going to be affected. So like I said before, it's never been a better time for Samsung to bring a gaming smartphone. As Samsung and AMD, they are cooking something big. We have here that there could be more than one Exynos processor with an AMD graphics. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Now we have got a massive confirmation regarding the Google Pixel Silicon coming from the software code for the upcoming Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Before diving into that, as we know that Google Silicon is happening for the first time, and I have talked about that in my previous videos that it could be an Exynos processor. Well, we have got some great confirmation from the XDA, and they found in the source code of the Google that it is indeed using a Mali GPU same as the S21 series on their Pixel family. We are not sure about whether it is coming with 12 core or 14 core version. We are also not sure about the clock speed, but it is indeed the Mali G78 graphics which we know about. Now this is definitely a good news. It's indeed a flagship level processor, and Pixel 6 family will just do fine, especially with the optimization of Android 12 on top of that hardware. It will make the GPU management even better, and there is going to be a faster animation. So yeah, that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? And personally, I think that a gaming smartphone from Samsung will be a great game changer. Anyhow, that's it in the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.